Some days the rain doesn't just fall from the sky.
That's when he appeared, with a broken umbrella and a smile that didn't feel like a stranger's. Sometimes love doesn't arrive loudly. It arrives in warm coffee. It wasn't love at first sight. It was slower than that. Safer.
Because loving someone means they can hurt you. And fear is louder than hope.
Loneliness hurts more than heartbreak. At least heartbreak means you had something.
The rain didn't stop that day, but he came back.
And for the first time in years, she didn't feel cold.
Like, follow, and subscribe for more videos.